everyone, I'm DIY Danie, and if you're looking for a great way to break up your time at home, then you'll love this simple build DIY blanket ladder. It requires minimal tools, and not only does it organize your blankets, but adds a fun pop of personality to any space. These are the materials you'll need for this project. To start this project off, take one 1x2 piece of lumber and you're going to measure and mark at 16 inches. I'm cutting on my marked line using a miter box and a saw at 90 degrees. Continue doing this until you have 4 16-inch pieces cut. Using a 120 grit sandpaper, sand away any rough sections. Clean the boards from any debris using a tack cloth, a brush, or a vacuum. A tack cloth is great because it picks up any little pieces of debris that are left over from your project. To give this project a nice pop of color, I'm using Rust-Oleum's chalk paint in blush pink. I'm painting all 4 16-inch pieces. The Home Depot Canada has many color selections, so make sure to pick the right color for you. Once all your painted arms are dry, it's time to assemble this ladder. Taking one 6-foot 1x2 piece of lumber, I'm making marks at 1, 2, 3, and 4 feet. Taking your first 16-inch piece, line it up at your first marked line. Using a triangle, I'm securing this at a 90-degree angle. Add wood glue and clamp your board to the 1x2 so that it creates a T shape. Using a drill bit, pre-drill through your 1x2 lumber into the side of your 16-inch 1x2. Pre-drilling your wood will ensure that you don't split your wood and so you don't break your screw. This is completely optional, but I'm using a countersink to create a small divot so that my screw will lie flush with my board. Taking a 3-inch wood screw, I'm securing the ladder arm to my 16-inch cross piece. Continue this step down your ladder until all 4 cross pieces are attached. Then simply flip the project over and repeat on the other side. To conceal my screws, I'm using a natural colored wood fill. Once the wood fill is dry, just sand it away. To enhance the look of this project and to make sure it is stain and scratch resistant, I'm adding a wood finish on top. For this project, I'm using a satin finish. Once all the sides are covered, just let it dry. And just like that, with the use of minimal tools and supplies, I created this gorgeous DIY blanket ladder. This was the perfect way to add a little height to the space and add a little personality and flair. Break up your day at home and have fun creating your own DIY blanket ladder. All the supplies for this project can be ordered online at homedepot.ca. Have fun and keep DIYing.